Hi everybody, let me show you how to use this to inhalate the fresh oxygen. First, you put this one in the air, show you in the air hole, on another side air hole. So this tube is make this tube close as possible to your nose. There are two small holes here. I don't know, you see? Yeah, exactly. These two small holes for the oxygen output. The oxygen will come from the machine and go out from these two holes. So make these two holes close to your nose, as close as possible. Okay. Then we turn on the machine.
Start of oxygen therapy.
Okay, now I can see some small flow, some small air comes from the hole. Means the oxygen making is doing the running. Now we can see. Now it's the 1 liter, the flow. The concentration is 93%. So now I'm enjoying the new oxygen inhalation therapy. Do you like it? I feel comfortable. Thank you. So these are all the procedure how to use the machine.